Good afternoon. Chances are where you are, the day's looked a little bit like this. Rather flat cloud sitting across you and quite gloomy most of the time. A few glimmers of brightness on the horizon here at Postel Stewart. But generally, we're up against this big massive cloud that you can see on the satellite picture, and the only significant breaks really have been coming in further north across Northern Ireland and into central and eastern Scotland. Not long though before we'll see some rain becoming more widespread across Scotland, and further south the cloud stays pretty solid through the remainder of the afternoon, but it's very mild, temperatures 10-11 degrees. Some rain across eastern England if you're heading out this evening, and some heavy downpours pushing across Scotland. Strong winds across the board, the winds particularly gusty across Scotland, 45-50 miles per hour in places. It stays mild though overnight. The map is green and yellow, indicating our temperatures are closer to the values we'd expect by day at this time of year. Overnight lows of 8 or 9 degrees. Through Sunday though, a subtle change. This cold weather front sinking its way south. Not a particularly meaty weather front as it dives across England and Wales on Sunday. More a band of cloud with some drizzly rain, but a marker between the very mild air we're sitting in at the moment and something a little fresher coming in from the northwest through the course of the day on Sunday. But clearer skies along with it. The wind though still gusty again, with Scotland bearing the brunt of the strongest gusts. But really across the board we could see gusts of 30 miles per hour. Through the course of the day, the wind will feed in some showers to northern and western Scotland, and later on in the day as that front slides south, the fresher weather will push into Northern Ireland, Scotland and Northern England, so afternoon temperatures of 8 or 9, further south still 10 or 11. On into next week, well, the temperatures are all over the place basically. Monday we see the figures dip away and a briefly chillier slot in our week, but there will be some sunshine around. Northerly breeze though, that is going to make it feel very different to the weekend, and our daytime highs about 6 or 7 degrees. But just when we think, oh, pile on the layers and the scarves and the hats once again, Tuesday is positively balmy. We switch wind direction and we're back up at temperatures in double figures and hopefully seeing a bit of brightness. But then later on in the week, the temperatures are set to taper off once again. There's a lot of fair weather to come, but we're looking at some quite frosty nights, perhaps some brighter days, but daytime highs of only 5, 6 or 7 degrees. So lots of changes in the week ahead. Why not keep up to date by taking a look at our app or heading on to the good old website.